If you've never heard of Before You Build, they're an online estimating software which gives you results in a matter of minutes. It is my absolute privilege to show you guys exactly how you can use Before You Build's incredible technology for any residential Australian project. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, as you can see, I've already used this for multiple of my own personal projects. I've blanked out the titles for obvious privacy reasons. But today I'm going to go through a real world example and show you guys exactly how to use it and compare it to the quantity surveyor that did the exact same thing. So first of all, let's go add new. When we select add new, our first window prompt comes up and we're creating a new project. So in this scenario, we are creating a brand new 2-story home. It's going to ask us to input a few project details. So for the project name, let's go YouTube to story. Our target completion date, let's estimate it will be at the end of 2025. After that, we move on to the generic questionnaire. This is all going to define exactly how much this project is going to cost. So what range are we thinking? Is it going to be a budget, a middle range, premium, or an extremely architectural home? In this scenario, I don't believe it is extremely architectural, but it is still a nice premium home. If you're ever questioning what each individual subheading means, you can select the eye icon and it'll tell you on the right hand side exactly what that title is about. So do we have good site access? Absolutely we do. We have 2 streets in this scenario. It is easy to access. There is no problems. All of these site conditions are generally quite easy to understand, even without a design or any plans drawn up. After that, we want to hit the save button and we'll move on to the next steps. I'll push the Before You Build calculator to the right hand side and show you the floor plan on the left. Now the ground floor plan is above and the first floor plan is below. We can go through this list, add and delete as we see fit. Now working through this calculator, all we're going to do is reflect on our floor plans and go through step by step. All we need to do is select the quantity, the approximate room size, we're not going into specifics, and of course the flooring type. Now that we've gone through and selected all of these items based on our floor plans, we can click Save and View Estimate. Literally within a matter of minutes, we've been provided an estimate for this project. If we scroll down to the bottom, we'll see the estimate for the total project is $1.7 million. If for whatever reason we thought that was too low or too high, we can go back, adjust our information and edit it so it's more aligned to our project. Alternatively, if we've done this at the start of the project and this is the brief we've been given, we can simply go, is $1.7 million enough or is it too much? That way we can readjust our brief early on in the project. Now, like I said, this project was estimated by a quantity surveyor. So let's take a look at the total project cost, comparing it to Before You Build to the actual quantity surveyor. Now, because this is a real world project, I've blurred out all of the data and I've just left the total. As you can see, the quantity surveyor expected this project to cost $1.675 million compared to that of our $1.7 million estimate. That's a mere 1.5% difference between the two estimates. Now, obviously there is an abundance of additional things that could be added or subtracted from this project, and there is so many variables that are still unknown. But as a starting point, this is providing us exceptional real-world information that we can confidently rely on.